In this video, we're going to take a look at mirroring skin weights. Once we weight half of the character, we can mirror all of the weighting that we've done over to the other side. This saves us a tremendous amount of time. I'm going to select both the wings here, and we'll just rotate these up. And we can see that this side, the crow's right side, has a little bit different weighting than its left. This lower half here kind of extends down a little bit further than this side here. We want our weighting to be symmetrical since our character is symmetrical. Plus, it'll save us a tremendous amount of time having to go in and clean those weights up manually. We can also see if I select the feet and rotate our joints here, that we have different weighting on the bottom half of our character as well. So we like the weighting on our character's left, and we want to mirror that over to our character's right. In order to do this, we first want to make sure that we're in the character's default pose and that our character is symmetrical. I'm going to select a joint and use the up arrow key just to get to the root joint of my skeleton. And I will choose Skin, go to Bind Pose. That'll return my character to its original default position that he was bound in. From here, I'll select my geometry and go to Skin, Mirror Skin Weights. And I want to open the tool options here. And we'll just reset this. And I want to mirror across the YZ plane. That is going to be the plane that is dividing the character in half. We'll make sure that that's chosen there. And the direction is going to be from the positive side, this being positive X, and we want to mirror that over to negative X. So I'll make sure that this attribute here is also checked. By default, we're set to closest point on surface. This really is going to be your best bet. We also have Raycast, which uses a ray tracing algorithm to determine the points to interpolate from. And we have closest component, which will find the component, for example, vertex or a face, and then find its closest match. Again, closest point on surface typically will work the best for you. Our next option down below is Influence Association. We really only need one, and in this case, closest joint. With that set, we'll choose Mirror. Then we can go and look and double check and make sure that those weights mirrored over properly. And we'll move those legs, and we have the exact same weighting on both sides. We'll also check the wings, and now they look appropriate as well.